Check out this viral video that this brand is scaling with on Meta ads.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am seriously so impressed by this dress. I literally can't get over it. It's from one of my favorite workout brands on Amazon. So the bottom here, like, you literally can't even tell, but it's an athletic-y kind of material, like wicking material is what I'm saying. So
in this video, we will be promoting this dress in the same way with AI. So first thing we're gonna do is to download this image and then go to Higgsfield. In Higgsfield, we go to NanoBanana Pro. So image and NanoBanana Pro. So as you can see in this image, we cannot see her face. So what we're gonna do is to tell NanoBanana Pro to complete the image. So we tell it to create a Scandinavian-looking woman and complete this photo. Make her wear the same dress. And after generating the image, we got this. So now we can see her face. Good. Now we need more angles. So let's go ahead and prompt. In my last video, I created this prompt. And this prompt will be available in my school community as well, so make sure you join. This prompt will create different angles of the girl wearing the dress from the photo you just saw. This is a JSON prompt and it's a very detailed prompt so that you get the best result as possible. You can, for example, see that we are prompting the hair to be blonde and so on. Okay, so let's go and generate. So now we got these photos. This is the full image and this is the different angles as you can see. Next thing we're gonna do is to go to Marketing Studio in Higgsfield, and here we're gonna do add reference. So in the menu in the left side, you go to add reference, and here we upload the inspiration video, the one you saw in the beginning of this video. And here I added it, and now we're gonna add the product. So now I have added the product, and now when you press continue, Higgsfield will create a prompt that is taken from this inspiration video to convert it and create a new video for this product image we just added. So let's press continue. And it's gonna analyze. This will take a minute or so. And now we have the video script. It says a woman in her 30s with long blonde hair stands in a well-lit modern room, smiling excitedly at the camera. This prompt will also be available in my school community. And we will do 1080p for this one. And the aspect ratio will be 9:16 because I will create a UGC post in social media. So let's go ahead and generate and see what we get. And meanwhile this video is generating, we will also try URL to add. So let's click here on Higgsfield. This will create an ad of the product with just one click. So let's go to the website, copy the link, go back to Higgsfield and then just paste it here. Continue, and we're gonna use UGC virtual try-on. Let's go ahead and choose it, and then 1080p. I'm gonna do 15 seconds long, generate video. Let's go. So now let's see what we get. We got the videos. Let's watch both of them.
guys, look at this detail.
Okay, so this video, the model is accurate and the dress is accurate. I did not like the hook because it was too weak, and also I did not like the music. So maybe next time we should just prompt no music, but for me it doesn't matter because I will generate voiceovers anyways in Swedish, so I will mute the original audio of this video in CapCut. This video can work if we cut it from where she starts to speak, so I'm gonna try that as an ad. And also, you remember this video we did URL to add? Let's watch it.
This summer dress is my warm weather go-to. It's knee length, light, and relaxed. The short sleeves and lace V-neck feel comfy but still cute. Perfect for vacation days, and it comes in lots of colors.
The model is not accurate, as you can see. You see that someone is holding up a phone here. That's not how a natural video would look. It's a bit of confusing, I would say. Both have potential, and I'm gonna test both of them and see what we get as results. I will upload the results in my school community, so if you haven't joined, the link will be down in the description or in the comment section. Let's go ahead and edit the videos in CapCut. So now I have edited the first video in CapCut. Let's watch.
Titta på dessa detaljer. Jag älskar denna klänningen från Lisandra. Den är nu min favorit för sommaren. Vilken är din?
And now I have edited the second video. Let's watch.
Min favoritklänning för varma sommardagar. Den är knälång, lätt och avslappnad. De korta ärmarna och den snörade V-ringningen känns bekväma men ändå söta. Perfekt för semesterdagar och den finns i många olika färger.
Okay, so that's it for this video. I will post the results in the school community and hope you learned something. See you in the next video.